Hello guys, welcome to this video of Techie Boy. This is a sad news for the YouTube creators who are new to the YouTube. YouTube has given a new policy in 2018 that all the new YouTubers they should have 4,000 hours of view on their YouTube channel and they should have 1000 subscribers. After that, the YouTube will review their channel and their channel will be monetized. Before that was only 1000 views, 10,000 views, and 1000 subscribers that we can share videos and the views will come. But now this is impossible. So we need to give support to the new YouTubers and to my channel also. My channel only has about 33 subscribers. I need more subscribers this year. So guys, please support me. And the new YouTubers should give new content so that the viewers can support their channel and help them. And guys, please watch my full videos because I create good content so that you can learn about tech from this channel. All the YouTubers should not lose hope and continue their YouTube career. So, thank you guys for watching.